Lud.
Don't talk about cocks.
On my intro right now. Yeah.
This is
You're
what he
waiting.
does.
It's been 42 minutes and 3 seconds.
That's
Yeah.
crazy.
I'm taking this time to say congratulations on 1 million followers.
Thanks, Train.
You sexy,
Don't bring up my cock.
brown-maned
Yep.
lion,
Thank you.
king of the jungle, big cock. I can already imagine the way you have sex.
Train.
Your balls clapping.
Come on, bro. It's...
I can sing jingle bells to the fucking beat.
Why?
Jenny, can you just stand right there real fast?
Huh?
I'm just gonna do a camera test.
Okay. Sit.
Yeah, sit down, sit down.
Okay, thanks.
Good?
Yep.
Okay.
Here, I'll drink with you.
I appreciate that. Drinking in,
I'm
you know
not
what they say about
drinking. Yes?
people who drink together?
Excuse me. Can you friend?
So, here's another thing, chat. And this is like we did a lot of joking today, right? But it's something I want to make very clear. It's 2020, okay? We respect women. So, Jenny, I'm going to give you the opportunity to pay for all this and express your independence
All right.
and equality.
Well,
Thank you.
okay, can I say something?
No.
Are you gonna vent in front of me?
Well, would you want me to or something?
Yeah.
Why?
I want to see if they would believe me.
Okay.
I think it's John.
Yeah, I think it's John too. Wait, Toast!
They could have vented in front of me. They could have.
Like, I know you got some
The
explaining
third
to do,
time
buddy.
he's...
Oh my
Guys,
god!
you're not gonna believe this. You're not
Oh,
gonna
no.
believe this.
Oh,
Like,
no
Kuno
way.
just vented in front of me.
What?
You're right. I don't believe
You know what,
that.
guys? No,
Yeah,
guys,
you're right.
listen. Guys. Everyone never believes Toast. You know what? I vented in front of him. I did it.
Huh?
Yep.
What?
You guys gotta believe Toast this time, don't you?
Alright, okay. Yep.
I mean,
What?
Totally
You're
voting
saying
for
you're
you.
right.
So
Okay.
no,
Guys,
you're
Guys,
right.
everyone
Right
doubts
before
Toast because they're
Saikuno
afraid of him
vented,
being
he
big
said,
brain.
no one will
Enjoy.
believe
We gotta
me.
help our friend
Saikuno.
build up his confidence.
You're right.
Absolutely. Toast needs more
a little
confidence.
confused.
Good. Yes.
What are you guys doing?
Wait, go!
What are you guys
Go,
doing?
go.
I'm trying to figure this out. The thing is, Black is not supposed to be opening the position because Black thinks that Black is attacking White, but
Folks.
I'm so confused. What just happened?
Jeez. Oh my gosh. Okay. Whoops. I was actually trying to look for my fork, so I looked around, and then because the cardboard was out of vision,
to have that superpower. I mean,
That's hot. Get it?
Blaze could play around in the Himalayas for hours and she would be perfectly fine.
Huh? You think they're hot? No, because it has fire blast, babe.
You think that those are hot?
No, because it's a fire blast.
Are we gonna have a drama?
No.
Are we gonna have drama, babe?
No.
Are you
Go
over
over
saying
there.
these are hot?
No, go over there now. Go over there. I don't say that.
Also,
she's hot, though.
her 45-degree ponytail makes her look like a Native American. I really love the fact that her love in...
Got it.
Yo, Ludwig.
Wow!
I heard you hit 1 million followers on
He
Twitch.
responded to you?
I had that shit after like 3 months of streaming your trash. Fuck you.
Okay.
Oh,
Why
hey,
did
Ludwig,
you
didn't see
even
you
throw
there.
it in then?
Congrats on 1 million followers, by the way.
Oh!
That is huge. It feels like just yesterday.
Nick Willow TK be collabing with Joe soon.
Joe? Joe who?
Joe Mama.
Dude, you're so fucking stupid, dude. You're so like, stop. 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 It's not funny. It's not funny.
And you know what? I'll say it right now.
I think the fuck not, you trick ass bitch.
Never mind. Let's move on. Got this song and discovered we.
Sweet dreams. I'm clocking out. Peace out.